In today's video, I want to teach you a very profitable trading strategy that was developed by Larry Connors, who is a famous trader and investor and also author of many books on this subject. One of his famous trading strategies is RSI-2 strategy, which is a trading strategy based on RSI with length of 2. Let me show how it works. First, we need to add RSI to our chart. So here we click on indicators and we search RSI, this one, Relative Strength Index. And then we need to go to the settings of the RSI to change the default settings of the indicator. Here in the inputs tab, for RSI length we set it at 2, and then here in the style tab, here for RSI upper band and lower band, which are the levels for overbought and oversold conditions, we need to give them more extreme values. Larry Connors started with 10 for oversold and 90 for overbought, and after doing many testing of different levels, he found out that setting oversold at 5 and setting overbought at 95 offers higher return, because on average the more extreme the asset became overbought or oversold, the greater was the return. Of course, this also depends on the volatility of the asset. For example, for some staple assets like some stocks, the RSI may rarely reach to 5 or 95, so settings on 10 and 90 would be a better choice. But for more volatile markets like Forex or crypto, setting at 5 and 95 would be a better choice, since RSI can easily reach to these extreme levels because of the higher volatility. Alright, our RSI is ready now, and we need to add two moving averages to our chart. So here we click on indicators and we search ribbon. We add this one, which is a built-in indicator on TradingView platform, and we need to go to the settings of the ribbon, and here in the inputs tab we should remove two of them because we only need two moving averages. Both of the moving averages should be simple moving average, for the first one with length of 200, and let's change the color to, for example, blue, and for the second one with length of 5, and let's change the color to red. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, now let's see how we trade based on this setup. We use this moving average with length of 200 for identifying the major trend of the market. When the price is above MA200, the market is trending up and we should look for buying opportunities, and on the other hand, when the price is below MA200, the market is trending down, and in this situation we must look for short position opportunities. So here in this part of the chart, because the price is below MA200, we must look for short position opportunities. When we are in this situation, we must wait for the times that RSI goes above 95. This is considered extremely overbought, and we have high probability for turning off the price and declining after that. Larry Connors suggested having RSI above 95 is enough for entering a trade, and also he doesn't recommend setting stop loss in this strategy, but I recommend it's better to wait for closing of RSI, and also better to wait RSI goes back and closes below 95, because in situation like this, if you only rely on closure of RSI, you can have RSI remained in this situation and having the price advancing more and hitting your stop loss. So better to wait for RSI to close below 95, and when you have RSI closed below 95, you can enter a trade. Also, I highly recommend you to set stop loss and manage your risk properly, because in today's highly volatile market, if you don't manage your risk properly, you will lose your trading account. And for setting stop loss, for example, for this trade where the RSI is closed below 95 at this point with this candle, which is your trade entry point, you can set the stop loss above the previous swing high, or in cases like this one, which the high of the trigger candle is higher, you can set your stop loss above the high of the trigger candle. And for the profit target, Larry Connors suggested to exit your position when you get a candle closed below this moving average with length of 5. For example, for this trade we close the position here, for this one we close here, or for example for this one we close it here. This is a very short-term trading strategy, and it's based on very quick exits. This is what Larry Connors suggested, but in practice, depending on your trading experience, you can manage to stay longer in your position, or you can even use trailing stop to lock in your profits and get the most out of your position as the price is moving in your expected way. So based on this trading strategy, we have a trading opportunity here, another one here, another short position opportunity here. Moving on the chart, here we had another short position opportunity, and as you can see, these are all profitable trading opportunities based on this strategy. And on the other hand, when RSI is above MA200, it shows the market is trending up and we must look for long position opportunities. In this situation, we wait for the times that RSI goes below 5, and these are the triggers based on this strategy. But as I mentioned earlier, you need to manage your risk properly because you can encounter losing trades like this one or this one when the market is changing direction and the price is going to the other side of the SMA 200. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for short-term trading. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.